Hello students and welcome to the video number 6. Now we will continue our discussion about nervous system. But in this video we will highlight the neurotransmitters. So we'll say neurotransmitters, they are endogenous chemicals that enable neurotransmission. So it is a type of chemical messenger which transmits signals across a chemical synapse, such as a neuromuscular junction from one neuron or nerve cell to another target neuron or muscle cell or gland cell. So again, neurotransmitters can be located dito sa ayan no, sa synapse. So this is the presynaptic terminal and then it releases neurotransmitters and then nagpo-float sila sa synaptic cleft and then naglaland sila sa postsynaptic terminal which receptors are present. So let's discuss the different types of neurotransmitters. So first is acetylcholine or ACH. So it is scattered throughout the brain and spinal cord and can be found in the neuromuscular junction of skeletal system. It is autonomic nervous system synapses. So the effect is exciting or inhibitory. So what are the clinical examples? We have Alzheimer's disease due to decrease in acetylcholine and myasthenia gravis, weakness of skeletal muscles due to reduced number of acetylcholine receptors. Dopamine, it is a restricted distribution and present in some autonomic nervous system synapses. Effect is generally excitatory, and examples are Parkinson's disease, which is a progressive nervous system disorder that affects movement, results from destruction of dopamine secreting neurons. Intake of drugs to increase dopamine induce vomiting and schizophrenia. Endorphins distributed in PNS and CNS. Effect generally inhibitory. So it binds the opiates, morphine, and heroin on presynaptic neurons to reduce pain by inhibiting the release of neurotransmitter. So when you say endorphins, it equals happiness. Yeah. Next is the gamma aminobutyric acid or GABA. Location is most neurons of CNS, generally inhibitory. Intake of drugs that increase GABA used to treat epilepsy. And glycine, location is CNS, effect generally inhibitory, and clinical examples is strychnine, a poison inhibits glycine receptors that can cause powerful muscle contractions and convulsions. Norepinephrine, some neurons in brainstem and nerves extending to many areas of brain and spinal cord. Effects excitatory or inhibitory. Clinical examples are cocaine and amphetamines. It increases or increase the production and inhibits the reuptake of it that causes overstimulation of postsynaptic neurons. Medyo may addictive effect. Serotonin, some neurons in brainstem rather, nerves extending to many areas of the brain and spinal cord. Effect is generally inhibitory. Clinical examples involved with mood, anxiety, and sleep induction, schizophrenia that cause serotonin to increase, that cause delusion, hallucinations, and withdrawal. So this is the chemistry of life. So if you feel in love, dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, mataas. Dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin, pag mababa, then you're depressed. Anxiety, dopamine, konti, serotonin, halos wala, and oxytocin. And happiness, tingnan nyo, mataas ang serotonin, mababa ang dopamine and oxytocin. Kapag in love ka, you are chemically high. Yan. So, these are another chemistry of life.